County in north-central Georgia, northern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsville, or over Douglasville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Douglasville, Powder Springs, Austell, Hiram, Lithia Springs, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Brownsville, Chapel Hill, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6